Unveiling creativity. How to originate a concept. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase: originate a concept. Whether you're brainstorming for a project, writing, or simply expanding your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase is key to unlocking your creative potential. So, let's get started and delve into what it means to originate a concept and how you can apply this in your daily life. Originate means to create something new or to be the source of something. When we talk about originating, we're talking about the birth or the beginning of something. A concept, on the other hand, is an idea or a mental representation of something. It can be as simple as the concept of gravity or as complex as the concept of freedom. So, when we combine these words, originate a concept means creating a new idea or being the source of a new way of thinking about something. It's about innovation, creativity, and bringing something unique into existence. In a world that's constantly evolving, the ability to originate concepts is invaluable. It's the backbone of progress in science, technology, art, and every field imaginable. Here are a few reasons why. Innovation. Original concepts lead to new inventions, solutions, and improvements in our lives. Problem solving. Creating new concepts helps us find unique solutions to complex problems. Personal growth. The process of originating concepts challenges our thinking, fosters creativity, and promotes learning. Originating a concept might seem daunting, but it's a skill that can be developed with practice. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Curiosity. Cultivate a curious mindset. Ask questions about the world around you and seek to understand how and why things work. 2. Research. Dive deep into your topic of interest. Understand existing concepts and theories to identify gaps or areas for improvement. 3. Brainstorm. Allow your creativity to flow without judgment. Use techniques like mind mapping or free writing to generate ideas. 4. Collaborate. Share your ideas with others. Feedback and discussion can help refine your concept and inspire new angles. 5. Experiment. Don't be afraid to test your ideas. Experimentation is crucial for learning and evolving your concept. Congratulations! You've just taken the first step towards understanding how to originate a concept. Remember, every great invention and every breakthrough starts with a single idea. So, don't be afraid to think differently, explore uncharted territories, and let your imagination run wild. We hope this video inspires you to create, innovate, and contribute your unique concepts to the world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more insightful content. Here's to your creativity and success.